Prabhupada says, if you don't have a question, don't have a guru. It's contradictory. Just like you go to a doctor. Doctor says, how are you? Fine. Doctor says, please get out. Why did you come? I was sitting for treatment. There are queue outside. We came. So what can I do? I'm fine. Then why did you came? Just to see you. Okay, Tata, bye. You really didn't take benefit. So we are not taking Guru as a passion. We take Guru for queries. I want to advance spiritually. I want to chant Hare Krishna. I want to read. I want to be blissful in Krishna. I want to do service with happiness and bliss. That's why we take a Guru. We don't take Guru just for namesake. Yeah, I am a Guru. For what purpose? So similarly, we live in association of devotees. If there is no questions of this kind, then actually it's not a very healthy association.